In today's video, I'll teach you how to add my home address in Google Maps. So if you want to add your home address, it is actually very simple. First of all, launch open Google Maps on your device. You can see over here Google Maps has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to add your home address, look at bottom. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option contribute that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here you can see the option for add place. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to add a place. What you have to do is enter the place details over here. First of all, enter the place name. Tap on the field of place name. Now once you do that, enter the place name over here. Likewise, tap on the field of category. Now you can see over here, you'll have to select the category. You can see various options over here. There is no particular category for home address, but what you can do is simply tap on this option residential that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, simply tap on any option of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to enter the address. Simply tap on the field of address and enter the address over here. The easier option would be simply tapping on this option, edit map location. Now what you have to do is pin the location according to your choice. Once you do that, tap on the OK option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, that particular address will be chosen. You can also add more details if you want. For that, tap on this field, add more details. Now you'll be able to add located within hours, contact, website, etc. After you're done, tap on this option submit that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. What you have to do is tap on this option OK that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, your home address will be added to the Google Maps. So that is how you add your home address in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.